Good morning, students. Yes, students. Today we are starting a new unit, that is Unit 6, and our topic is factors and multiples. Yes, students, this is Unit 6, and our topic is factors and multiples. Yes, students, first we will discuss what are factors and what are multiples. For example, yes, friends, when we divide any number, suppose we are dividing 63 by 7. Now, divide 63 by 7. Yes, friends. The number by which we are dividing is known as divisor. This part is divisor. The number which we are dividing, 63, is known as dividend. Now multiply 7 9 are 63 and 63 minus 63, your answer is 0. Now this part is quotient and this is remainder. First we'll know all these parts. For example, we are dividing number 63. The number by which we are dividing is known as dividend. Is known as divisor. So here our divisor is 7. The number which we are dividing is 63. This part is dividend. Now divide 9, 7 are 63. This is quotient and this part is remainder. Again, divisor, dividend, quotient and remainder. Now, what are factors? Yes, friends, again, what are factors? Yes, friends, a factor means small parts of a whole number. For example, we divide 63 by 7. Now, when we divide, our answer is 9. So, factor are what are factor? Factor, when we divide any number, then our remainder is 0. It means number is exactly divisible. Then we divide any number and our remainder is 0. Then we can say divisor and quotient are factor of dividend. Again, 63 divided by 7. 63, remainder is 0. Yes, friends. So what are factors? When we divide any number and our remainder is 0, then we can say divisor and quotient. 7 and 9. Divisor is 7 and quotient is 9. Then we can say 7 and 9 are factors of dividend. Clear, students? Now, more facts about factors. Some more facts about factors. Your first one, a non-zero number has limited factors. Every non-zero number, for example, 12, 15, these are non-zero numbers. So these numbers have limited factors. Clear? Second point is 1 is a factor of every number. Next point is 1 is a factor of any number. For every number. 1 is a factor of every number. Yes, friends. First point is 1 is the factor of every number. So 1 is also a smallest factor of every number. Yes, friends. Now, largest factor is number itself. Suppose we are finding factor of 12. For example, if we want to know the all factors of 12, so largest factor will be 12. And same, if you want to know all the factors of 15, our largest factor is 15. So students, largest factor of every number is number itself. See, if we want to, we are finding all factors of 12. So 12 is the largest factor of 12. Same, 15 is the largest factor of 15. Clear, students? Next is every non-zero number is a factor of 0. Every non-zero number, next point is non-zero number every non-zero number is a factor of 0. And last point is zero is not a factor of any number. 0 is not a factor of any number. Clear, students? These are few points which we use when we solve this exercise. First point is your first point is every non-zero number have limited factors. Second point is 1 is the factor of every number. 1 is the factor of every number. For example, our number is 20 and we are finding all factors of 20. So 1 is a factor of every number, means first factor of 20 is 1. 1 is the factor of every number. When we are finding all factors of 20. So our first and smallest factor of 21 will be 1. Clear, students? Second is largest factor of every number is number itself. Means when we again, if you want, we are finding all factors of 20, then 20 is the largest and last factor of 20. So students, first is 1 is the factor of every number. Second is largest factor of every number is number itself. Next point is every non-zero number is a factor of 0. Every non-zero number, suppose our number is 4, 5, 6, 7, anyone, every non-zero number is a factor of 0. But 0 is not a factor of any number. Clear, students? So these are few points about factors. Now, students, we will discuss few questions of exercise. Exercise 19. of exercise 19. Yes, students, your first question of exercise 19. Is 7 a factor of 63? So when we find is 7, now we are finding 7 is a factor of 63. So simply we will divide 63 by 7. Divide 63 by 7. 7 9 are 63 and our remainder is 0. If any number is fully divisible by other number, then we can say 7 and 9 are factor of 63. So now you can see our remainder is 0. And it means 7 is a factor of 63. So your answer is yes. So this is first part A of question number first. Clear, friends? Next is B part. Is 11 a factor of 110? Is 11 a factor of 110? Now friends, while dividing we'll check is 11 a factor of 110. So simply 110 divided by 11. 110 divided by 11. Divides by 1 and yes friends, again you can see our remainder is 0. It means 11 is a factor of 110. Again your answer is yes. Yes friends, when we want to know is any number is a factor of other number, so simply divide these two numbers. If our remainder is 0, then we can say first number is a factor of second number. The number by which we are dividing, the number by which we are dividing the number which we are dividing, then we can say, for example, here we are dividing by 11 and our dividend is 110. So it means 11 and 10. 11 and 10 both are factor of 110. Clear, students? Next is part C. Part C, is 9 a factor of 91? Is 9 a factor of 91? Now in 91 divided by 9. 91 divided by 9. 9 1 are 9. And the 1 0. Now students, you can see our remainder is 0. When we divide 91 by 9, then remainder is 1. So it means 9 is not a factor of 91. So in this case our answer is no, because our remainder is 1. If our remainder is 0, then we can say the number by which we are dividing is the factor of dividend. Clear, students? Next is part D. Part D. Next part is 16 a factor of 8? Is 16 a factor of 8? Is 16 a factor of 8? 8 divided by 16. Yes, students, we can't divide. So it means your answer is no. Your answer is no. 16 is not a factor of 8, but 8 is a factor of 16. Now in this question, your question is 16 a factor of 8? Yes, friends, 16 is not a factor of 8, but 8 is a factor of 16. Yes, friends. Next is part E. Is 5 a factor of 0? Is 5 a factor of 0? Of 0? Yes, friends. Yeah, our answer is yes. These 2 points we already discussed in facts of factors. When we discuss all facts of factors, then we discuss this point. Now your question is 5 a factor of 0? So your answer is yes. Next is F part. Is 0 a factor of 8? Is 0 a factor of 8? Yes, friends. Again, your answer is no. 0 is not a factor of 8. Yes, friends. So this is first question of exercise 19. First question of exercise 19. Yes, friends. Now, second question. Find all the factors of 42. Your second question is question number second. Find all the factors of 42. Yes, friends. Now find all factor of 42. Yes, friends, as we discuss some facts of factors. First factor of any non-zero number. First factor of any non-zero number is 1 and last factor is number itself. So in first step, when we find a factor of 42, so first factor is 1 multiplied by 42 is equal to 42. So first, this is the smallest factor of 42 and 42 number itself is the largest factor of 42. Now, after 1, we have number 2. Now, in rough side, divide 42 by 2. 2 2 are 4. Then 2, 2 1 are 2. Our remainder is 0. When we divide 42 by 2, then we get quotient as 21 and remainder 0. If remainder is 0, it means 2 and 21. 2 and 21 factor of 42. So write here 2. Here 21 is equal to 42. Yes, friends. In this question, we are finding all factors of 42. Yes, friends. First and smallest factor of any number is 1. Last and largest factor of any number is number itself. So first factor is 1 multiplied by 42 is equal to 42. After 1, we have number 2. 42 divided by 2. 42 divided by 2. We get 21 as a quotient and remainder 0. It means 2 and 21. It means 2 and 21 both are factors of 40. After 2, next number is 3. Next number is 3. Now 42 divided by 3. 42 divided by 3. 3, 1 are 3. 4 minus 3, 1. Next number is 12. 3, 4 are 12. 3, 4 are 12. Again, students, remainder is 0. Again, our remainder is 0. So it means 3 and 14. Again, 3 and 14 are factors of 40. 1, 2, 3. Next number is 5. Now we will divide by 5. 42 divided by 1, 2, 3. Next number is 4. Now 42 divided by 4. 4, 1 are 4. Next number is 0. So our remainder is 0. So it means 4 is not a factor of 42 because remainder is 2. 4 divided by 42, we get 10 as a quotient and remainder is 2. So it means 4 is not a factor of 42. Next is 42 divided by 5. 42 divided by 5, 8. Again, remainder is 2. So it means 5 is not a factor of 42. Now, next is divide by 6. 42 divide by 6. 7, 6 are 42. 6 divided by 42, we get 7. And remainder is 0. It means 6 and 7. 6 and 7 are factors of 42. Yes, friends. After 6, next number is 7. 7 is already here. So now we'll write all factors of 42. All factors of 42 are 1, 2, 3, 6. 1, 2, 3, 6. 7, 14, 21 and 42. Now write all factors of 42. 1, 2, 3, 6. 2, 3, 6. 7, 14. 7, 14, 21 and 42. Clear, students? So this is the second question, first part.